This is dry bowl.
Show mommy. Do your crust.
Show mommy how you do this. Watch this. Now wait a minute.
Well, this is a lot smaller than the other ones.
Yeah, because this is a smaller one. That's it.
Wow. Emma,
Nothing?
you're so good at that. Maybe next year Grandma will teach you.
Look, Grandma.
I saw. This is all, yeah, this is my...
Who is the greatest pie maker ever?
I don't think that's how we do it.
I'm pretty sure that's right. I've seen it before.
You've seen that before?
Oh, yeah. That's totally how you do it.
Let's see Uncle Matt's.
Uncle Matt's not as good as
Uncle Matt's doesn't look as nice.
Emma's
looks nicer. Emma, show mommy yours. Let me see.
Emma, do yours
Hold
right
it out.
again,
I have to get her a pan to put it in.
You know what she needs? She needs an apron. Wouldn't she look so cute with a little apron?
Yeah, she would.
Yay!
Are we gonna make a little apple pie for Emma?
Well, I'd love to if I had a little apple pie pan.
Oh. What's that?
Big pans.
Is that your sticker? Does that go on there?
She is such a good pie maker.
Emma, what do you say?
Like
What do you
whom
say?
it should be.
Did Grandma do that for you?
Oh, well, Ty is in the now. I haven't been with him tonight, so he needs to sleep over more. I can't. Sorry.
Oh, look what Grandma
I
has.
have an apron for you like Grandma's. This goes over the head. And this goes around your waist.
You know,
And it's already got flour on it.
sorry.
This goes the way of the costume.
What does that mean?
Emma, does Old MacDonald make that?
E-I-E-I-O.
What do you say?
Little pie pans.
Okay, Mommy will stop. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.